Tried the cheap stuff, but it caused me more stress. Then I saw the light, Dyson shining bright. Now my morning starts so easy, and my hair feels right. With my Dyson in my hand, I'm a hair queen on demand. No more frizz, no more burn, silky smooth at every turn. Click the link and you will see what this magic does for me. Supersonic, it's iconic beauty tech that sets you free. No more guessing heat or blast. Neural tech learns so fast. Protects your shine, saves your time. Feels like heaven every time. Temperature's right, air flows tight. Even senses how you move, what a sight. Luxury meets science, say goodbye to defiance. Dry in minutes, style on point, join the Dyson Alliance. It's not hype, it's the real. Great hair's part of the deal. Tap that link, make it yours. Dyson style opens doors. It's not hype, it's the real. Gray hair's part of the deal. Tap that link, make it yours. Dyson style opens doors.